Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? Fine. So give me high five. Yay! Okay, now tell me what we have learned in our previous session. We have learned about amazing nature. In this topic, we have learned about pet animals, wild animals, fruits, vegetables, flowers, etc. Now, today we are going to learn about birds. Yes, birds को हम क्या बुलाते हैं? पंछी. There are different types of birds. Birds have two eyes, two legs, feathers, wings, beak and tail. They are found everywhere and they live in a nest. So let's learn about birds.
This is a crow. It is black in color. Crow eats bread, insects, seeds and fruits. Now tell me, which bird is this? This is a peacock. It has colorful feathers. It has a long neck and it is our national bird. और आपको पता है, जब बारिश होती है तो पीकॉक अपने सारे पंख फैलाकर डांस करता है. दिस इज अ स्पैरो. उसे हम चिड़िया भी बुलाते हैं. इट इज ब्राउन इन कलर. उसको अपनी छोटी सी चोंच से दाना खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. शी सिंग्स when she is happy. Now tell me, which bird is this? This is a parrot. Do you know? Parrot is a pet bird. उसे हम तोता भी कहते हैं और उसे हम अपने घर में भी रख सकते हैं. Now tell me, what is the color of parrot? Yes, it is green. And do you know the color of its beak is red? और पैरट को क्या खाना अच्छा लगता है? पैरट loves to eat guava, chilies and almonds. और आपको वो तोते वाली कविता पता है? मिठू मिठू तोता डाली ऊपर सोता, लाल मिर्ची खाता, राम राम चिल्लाता. ये. Now, which bird is this? This is a pigeon. It has small feet and small beak. They love to eat seeds. पिजन को हम कबूतर भी बुलाते हैं. क से कबूतर. These are ducks. Ducks are found in different colors and sizes. They have strong beak. They eat worms and fishes. डक ज़मीन पे भी चल सकते हैं, हवा में उड़ भी सकते हैं और पानी में भी तैर सकते हैं. These are swans. Swans are like duck. They live near pond. They eat plants in water and they also eat fishes. बच्चों, अब बताओ ये कौन सा बर्ड है? ऊ से उल्लू. हमने ये पढ़ा है ना। आपको पता है उल्लू को हम क्या बुलाते हैं? Owl. They have round head and flat face. Do you know? वो रात को जगते हैं और दिन में सो जाते हैं। They live in tree hole. This is a hen. Hen gives us eggs. They eat grains, fruits, vegetables, and bugs. Do you know which bird is this? This is a cuckoo bird. It is black as a crow. कुकू बर्ड को कोयल भी कहा जाता है। वह अपनी कू कू की आवाज़ के लिए पहचानी जाती है। Now it's activity time. In this activity, we are going to segregate birds and animals. We have few pictures of birds and animals. You have to tell me, is this a bird or animal? Now tell me, is this a bird or an animal? This is a bird. What is the name of this bird? This is a peacock. So we will keep it here. Now this is a cow. Cow is a bird or an animal? Yes, it is an animal. So we will keep it here. Now tell me, what is this? This is a parrot. Parrot is a bird. So we will keep it here. This is a horse. Horse is a bird or an animal? Animal. So we will keep it here. Now ये कौन सा पिक्चर है? ऊ से उल्लू. An owl. Owl is a bird or an animal? Bird. So we will keep it here. Now, what is this? This is a tiger. Tiger is a bird? No, 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 no. It's an animal. So we will keep it here. This is a picture of sparrow. It is a bird. So we will keep it here. This is a picture of duck. It is a bird. So we will keep it here. Hen. Hen is an animal or a bird? Bird. So we will keep it here. Now, this is the picture of bear. Bear is an animal or bird? It is an animal. So we will keep it here. And this is a pigeon. It is a bird. So you can do this activity at your home with your mummy and papa. It's time for worksheet. In our first worksheet, you have to circle the birds. Is this a bird? Yes. What is the name of this bird? This is a parrot. So we will circle it. Now circle all the birds in the worksheet. In our second worksheet, you have to match one bird with other bird of same type. For example, first picture is of a parrot. Now, where is other parrot? Here. So, we will match it. Now match all other birds.
Did you enjoy this session? Yes. So we will meet in next session. Bye bye. See you.